Welcome to ImageIQ for Aperture. ImageIQ for Aperture is the image search tool missing from Aperture. With ImageIQ, you search for images, not metadata. Visually similar images are tagged with a keyword that includes the name of the image you are searching for. Upon first launch, ImageIQ will display an information screen with some operation basics. At this point, you should ensure that Aperture is running. When ready, we'll go ahead and load the currently open Aperture library in ImageIQ. Once ImageIQ has completed collecting relevant information for your library, it presents some statistics about the current ImageIQ analysis status, including the number of images that you have not yet profiled with ImageIQ. In order to perform image searches, ImageIQ first needs to analyze your images. Let's go ahead and start an analysis on this library as we have unanalyzed images. Since analysis can take a long time, there is also an option to analyze only images you have selected within Aperture. The analysis is persistent, so any images previously analyzed will not be processed again. ImageIQ includes 3 algorithms for profiling images. Each of these algorithms have their own strengths and weaknesses in finding similar images. These algorithms visually profile your images, and ImageIQ searches for similarities. It works to find these similarities independent of file format, rotation, and image size. All of the library images have now been analyzed. Let's go ahead and start a search. This is accomplished by selecting the image you want to find other similar images of within Aperture. Then back in ImageIQ, hitting the Start Search button. As you can see, searches are very quick, as all the heavy lifting has occurred in the analysis stage. Let's look at the results. There are many ways to see the similar images. ImageIQ tags the target image with the ImageIQ target keyword, and the similar images are tagged with the keyword consisting of ImageIQ followed by the version name of the target. These keywords have the parent keyword ADD ImageIQ. So an easy way to see the results is create a smart album that shows images with this parent keyword. Not only has ImageIQ found a few similar images, it has also determined that it can find more by relaxing the sensitivity setting. So let's retry the search at the next sensitivity. And still more images can be found. Notice that by relaxing the sensitivity too much leads to stray images being considered as similar. Now let's compare the results of another algorithm's view of what is similar. For example, ImageIQ Pro finds only a single stray image, even when set to its least sensitive setting. And ImageIQ Classic starts identifying strays at a setting of 8. One last trick. You can perform searches for the most similar versions of any previous analyzed image, even without ImageIQ running. Simply look up the ImageIQ numbers for any image located in the custom fields and search your library for that particular number. As you can see, ImageIQ provides a new capability for searching images in Aperture which does not depend on metadata such as keywords. Try it today. You'll be surprised by the number of workflows that can be enhanced by its use. For more information and a free demo, head on over to softltd.com. ImageIQ is also available from the Mac App Store.